Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain chapter number 20, Prepositions. Let's see what are prepositions. A preposition is a word or group of words that shows the relation of a noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence. It shows where someone or something is. Now look at these examples. There are many foods in the bowl. So, in tells us where the foods are. The teddy bear is on the sofa. On tells us where the teddy bear sitting. The boys are hiding behind the bush. Behind tells us where the boy is hiding. Prepositions can be used to talk about time, place, and movement. The prepositions at, on, and in tell us when something happens. For example, I am going home in the evening. The shop closes at 8 p.m. We have a holiday on Friday. In and at can also be used to show where somebody or something is. For example, I live in Hyderabad. I will meet you at the Hyderabad railway station. Here, in and at are used to talk about the place. From, to, for. These prepositions tell us about the length of time. For example, I lived in Hyderabad from January to March. I lived in Hyderabad for 3 months. In these sentences, from, to, for tell us how much did I live in Hyderabad. Children, from and to can also be used to indicate direction. For example, she returned from Mumbai. He is going to Bhopal. So from and to tell us the direction. The prepositions like on, above, and over show where something or someone is. For example, I put the book on the table. On tells us the position of the book. The aeroplane flew above the tower. Here, above tells us the position of aeroplane. The boy jumped over the wall. In this sentence, over tells us from where did the boy jump. The prepositions like under and below mean almost the same. For example, the kitten is drinking milk under the table. Harry lives in a room below our flat. In these sentences, under and below mean almost the same, but they are used in different ways. Behind, in front of, near, between, and among. These prepositions also show where someone or something is. For example, the sun is hiding behind the clouds. Geeta stood in front of the mirror. The mother sat near the child. We use between with two people or things. For example, the box is kept between the two children. We use among with more than two people or things. For example, my mother is sitting among the teachers. In, into, and out of. The preposition in shows where something or someone is. For example, children are in the swimming pool. In tells us where the children are. The prepositions into and out of show movement. They tell us where something or someone is going. For example, Ramu jumped into the swimming pool. So, into tells us the movement of Ramu. Reena climbed out of the swimming pool. In this sentence, out of tells the movement of Reena. Dear children, that's all for today. Go through the chapter again and complete the exercises in the book. Have a nice day. Thank you.